Hi, in this video, we will introduce how to do CWDM Transceiver schematics and simulation using Luceda IPKISS. In the previous video, we showed how to do component designs and sub-circuit designs. We can add them to our own component library for circuit design. Now we can launch IPKISS Canvas to create the schematics of circuit using these building blocks. In IPKISS Canvas, we can drag and drop the required component from the PDK or the custom component library. Then just connect the ports and get the entire system in IPKISS Canvas. We can see CWDM transceiver consists of two parts, transmitter and receiver. Here is the TX section, and this is the RX section. Assembling them together, we can get the whole schematics of CWDM transceiver. Then, how to do simulation from the schematics? We can use Codelet. It can launch simulation or other code snippets directly from IPKISS Canvas. Here we create a new codelet and name it. You can choose to create a new codelet file or import an existing file. Next, you just need to drag and drop the codelet into the canvas and click this button to run the function you wrote and get the simulation results. We can see this is the simulation of the CWDM transceiver from the schematics. That's it. Are you ready to quickly implement your ideas in IPKISS Canvas? Try it now.